guys, last day for our holiday today. So nakaalis na kami sa bahay ng ate ko on our way to Sydney. And at the moment, stop over muna kami dito sa Himas, Holbrook, New South Wales. It's pretty cool for the kids. If you wanna stop and stretch out, yan. So that's our caravan day, guys, that one. And there's a lot of caravans stopping by. So yeah, it's pretty big. Ang haba right over there. See? My back is killing me, to be honest. But I can't complain because I had a good day. I had fun foist. Wow. Ang haba niya, oh. It's getting cold, to be honest. Hi, Isabella.
Hi.
So it's Submarine Museum Center, and then if you want to have a coffee, there's a coffee shop just right there. And coffee shop. Dito na ako sa taas.
Wait, where? Look, if little animals want to go, they have their own house.
It's a nice place. Yan. Pwede kayo mag-picnic. It's pretty cloudy. Be careful, Isabella. Wait. Where's Maddie?
Maddie?
I mean Margaret. Yeah, there's a lot of caravans. They're stopping by. I don't know. When I Submarine Museum. Hi.
Must have been a historic show on there.
Could be. Where have you been, Margaret? Ah, what's that?
Can I wash my clothes?
You can. Pretty muddy.
Mine's my glove. Huh? Oh!
You got wet feet. Need soap to wash them off.
Nakachinilas lang kami, guys. You don't have to get dressed to go. They said. It's a nice place. Where?
On top. See all that's under the water. All that stuff pokes up out of the hole, out of the water.
Why is there so many signals?
See that one over there is the long first one? End on the top. That's when you look in here, hold a mirror, and then it goes up and it looks out. So that way you can see where you're going. So pop it up out of the water a little bit.
What are all the other ones for 100 years? There's like a way.
It only lasted for 90 metres long.
Ang laki niya, oh.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Pauwi na kami back to Brisbane, pero at the moment naka-stop over muna kami dito sa service station. At umalis kami kanina doon sa place ng brother ko around 7:30. Wala pa kaming breakfast, so nag-stop over muna kami at bibili kami ng coffee at saka makakain. So nandito kami sa service station, ang daming mga nakapark na trucks. Maingay. Punta lang ako sa caravan. Naantay ko sila Calvin at Isabella. Lalaki ng mga truck. So yan. Ang ingay ng truck. Kakatakot. Pero yan. Hey guys, ng coffee and breakfast kasi brand out dito. So nag-brand out yung Hungry Jacks. So yeah, we must stop over somewhere else. Because it's been raining for how many days? Like yesterday, it was pretty heavy. And I was quite frightened yesterday kasi the road is quite slippery. And then it was really windy. So thank goodness this morning when I woke up, I said to him this morning na we have to go kasi in case na may floods around sa Sydney. It's not just that here in Sydney. Apparently my son messaged me that it's been raining for a few days and there's floods around. So that's what I'm worried about because we're going back to work on Monday kung hindi kami makadaan. So yeah, good luck for us guys. So today is our first stop over dito sa service station.
That's right. Yeah, next one.
We go to next one, service station. Our next stop over. Stop over na na naman kami ulit guys. Sana makakain na kami ng breakfast. I'm so hungry. But I'm waiting for Isabella and Calvin. They went to Hungry Jacks. Magbabanat-banat muna at ang sakit na ng puwet ko sa kakaupo. Dami naming labahan guys. So nilagay na lang namin sa ibabaw ng bed. Can't wait to get home. Back to work na naman ulit sa Lunes. This one, we're having chicken nuggets and coffee and burger. Alright, so we've just done our breakfast so far and back on the road again guys. You see it's pretty windy. May storm kasi. Let's go darling. Can you unlock the car please? Busog-busog na naman kami guys. Pretty windy. Sana smooth. Ligtas kami makabalik sa Brisbane. Apparently it's been raining in Brisbane tapos may nalunod kasi nga hindi siya huminto. So went through the water sa flood. Ayun, inagos yung tubig. Inagos ng tubig yung car niya. Nasa loob yung driver. So namatay. That was happened on Thursday last week. So hopefully everything will be okay. And can't wait. Pahinga ang puwet namin sa kakaupo. Right, back on the road.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Stop over na naman kami guys. Nag-jingle si Isabella. Ay nako. Hang on a sec. I'm just gonna throw this thing. Yeah, I saw that. So nandito kami sa rest area. So nandito kami sa rest area guys. Yung mga pwede kayong mag-park dito. Pwede rin kayo umihi sa mga rest area o kumain. Meron silang linis naman siya. May ilan sa mga tao na nagtatapon ng basura instead na ilagay nila doon sa bin. Yan yung bin. So yung iba, may mga lazy na tao. Kung katulad niyan, may nagtapon ng tissues sa daan. Pero malinis naman siya kahit papano. Ayun. Isa, dalawa, and tatlo dito. Kapag nagugutom kami guys, yan, bumili lang kami ng butter, milk, at saka Pepsi, and leftover food. Yan, this is Isabella's lactose milk. Yan, pag nagugutom. So, hindi na kami namili kasi nung nandoon kami sa bahay ni ate sa Melbourne, nagluto naman siya. Doon kami kumakain sa kanila. So, yung mga food na pinamili namin, hindi namin nagamit. Nandito lang yung mga cereals, guys. Ayan, pagkain. In case na magutom kami, na-stuck kami somewhere at we're hungry. At least, yeah, at least we have oats there. Yan, water. Pero may water naman kami dito sa top. Yan. Which one do you want?
It's in here.
Oh, okay. Tapos bed. Oh, Isabella, oh. Yan, pagpasok. Ayan. Upo-upo lang dito. Dito kami kumakain. This is our table. And then if you want looking for views, ipot mo lang to. Yan, curtains. And you can see outside. Alright guys, paalis na kami. Ang daming mga truck. Ang haba niyan guys. So, they normally pull up here to have a sleep, magpahinga, matulog para iwas disgrasya. Back on the road again, guys. Para mo na tulad. Stop over na naman kami, guys. Mag-exit lang kami for our light lunch. Stop over muna kami. At kakain kami, mag-lunch muna kami. Actually, it's light lunch. So, pangatlong stop over na namin. We're gonna have KFC, something different for today. Caps Harbor na kami. 400 kilometers to go. Ang sakit na ng puwet ko. Sa kakaupo. Muna. Oops. Ay, na-islam yung door. And salad. I'm having chicken salad. Yum. Popcorn chicken. No, this is mine. That's yours. Got some.
Oh, this is a big piece.
Yeah.
Dad, look. I got the big piece.
So we're having KFC chicken for our lunch. Actually, it's light lunch. Coffee? Cooking? You want some drinks? Okay. Can I try your chip honey, please? Just one. Actually, two. Alright, guys. We just had our light lunch, so back on the road again. Alright, back on the road again, guys.
And the more you take it,
Big monkey.
the more
2,000 years later.
Sakit na daw yung paa ni Isabella, kaya pull over muna kami. Can't wait to get home. Stretch. So, nandito kami sa BP service station. Magwiwi muna. At ako'y nag-jingle na. It's quite cloudy. I think it's going to rain. Kunting kimbot na lang, guys. Malapit na kami darating sa aming tirahan. Buckle up, guys. Gold Coast na kami, guys. Someone came. Bunny came, Isabella, but you weren't home. We're home, guys. Matulog na ako at ako'y pagod na pagod. See you next time.